you ready to decorate the tree, Beba?
Yes.
Okay. Where would you like to start?
Am I on video?
Yes.
I guess with the lights, the white lights.
The white lights. You got it.
Okay.
I only have 6.
Joy to the world, the teachers died. We barbecued his head. What happened to his body? He crushed it down the body. Round and round it goes. Round and round it goes. Round and round it goes.
Yeah, I can see where it's like patchy there, and then patchy there, right
Can you
there.
bring me the one that was going to get thrown away?
What do you think? What you got there?
Garland?
A lot of garland. Babe!
What? Yeah.
This is the best use for the garland I've found. I want to go to there. Is that a place? Mm-hmm. That's good.
Don't provoke them. They can't hug a deer.
Remy!
You fall?
You almost did. We got Rufus and Fisher
Iron Man.
and
Iron Man.
Iron Man and Remy and Misha and let's see. We've got some of my favorites.
Here's Lindsay's.
Yeah.
Little bear.
I have Lindsay's bear. I don't know how.
It says Lindsay.
1987. And me from first grade. In the bear's belly. I don't know why. It's Sloopy.
No, Snoopy.
But it's Sloopy.
It's Snoopy. He's hanging on the tree.
And what else?
Iron Man.
I made this in kindergarten. It's a soup can top with holes in it. And what other ones do I really like?
The lollipop.
My grandma made that, the lollipop. And I thought that I had one. Oh, where's my ice cream cone? Ah. Where's my ice cream cone?
What?
My ice cream cone.
On the left.
Honey, I think I know what's wrong.
By the cigar.
This is one of my favorite ornaments. It's an ice cream cone with my name on it. I've had that. I think it's one of the earliest ornaments I remember having. Like, I don't remember many before that one.